I'm so tired, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to bring to you an updated what's in my gym bag video. I just did one of these a little over a year ago, so not much has changed, but there are definitely some new things. On top of that, I want to throw in some of my favorite fitness YouTubers to let you guys know a little bit about where I get my workouts from. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my gym bag, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so like I said, I did film a video like this a little over a year ago, and I'll go ahead and link that below if you haven't seen it. But for this one, this is my old faithful. This is my Gymshark barrel bag in the color black and mint. There is some wear and tear on this, but that's because it has been through the mud, y'all. Not the literal mud, but it's been through some things. There used to be like this little sticky Gymshark thing in mint right on here, but that came off. We do have a little rip right here. That, you know, that happened. I don't know. I just can't seem to let this bag go, and I don't know if it's because of the allegiance that I have to Gymshark or if I just love it that much. This is truthfully the only gym bag that I've ever owned, and granted, I've only been working out for almost 2 years. It's, I don't know, it's just my baby and I love it. So let's get into the bag. So first things first, right on the outside, I have my Solo Beats headphones. These are over the ear. If you want to know a little bit more about them, I did talk about them in my August favorites video. I will also link that below. So the first pocket here, kind of just going with these headphones. I do have another pair of headphones. This is just a bag that I got when I had an Ipsy subscription. I canceled it because they're not really POC friendly. Not like anything personal or any beef that I have with them. I just didn't feel like a lot of the things that they were giving to me for my hair, for my skin, were for people of color. And that's that on that. Like that's really it. So I do keep another pair of headphones with me. These are also the Beats Wireless Power Beats over the ear Solo 3. I don't know the specific name of them, but they're Beats headphones. These originally Tyler gave to me to work out with because I accidentally washed my other wireless headphones. I don't want to talk about it. So Tyler gave these to me, and then like I said, I talked about it in my other video, I got these free with my laptop that I just bought for school. So these are usually my go-to. I'll keep these just in case these die, even though these do have a really long battery life. But it's just nice to have an extra pair of headphones. I also had an extra pair of headphones, like an extra pair of headphones. They were the wired ones. I took them out though, and I put them in my backpack. So what else I got in this Ipsy bag? I do have some feminine products, and then I do have a lot of pens, like 3 pens. I have pens just because I like to write my workouts down sometimes, and so if I'm not using my phone, then I'll have them in the notebook, which is also in the bag, but we'll get there. And then also in this front pocket, I have my charger to my headphones, and then I have gum wrappers because I like to have gum. I actually ran out, which I need to make a mental note. Somebody remind me. I need to get more packs of gum. I usually like taking gum after I take my pre-workout. I like chewing gum after taking my pre-workout just because I don't like the taste that pre-workout leaves in my mouth. So it also helps me focus, and it helps me get through my workouts because I get so hungry. I'm out of breath because I'm sick. I literally feel like I can't breathe out of my nose. It's fine. We're fine. So also in my gym bag, I do have a dry erase marker because there is a dry erase board inside of my school gym. I do like to write out my HIIT workouts, especially when I'm working out with my friends, because it's kind of just something to look at. You know, if you're in the middle of a circuit, you're not going to stop and look at your phone like, oh, what was I supposed to do next? We just like to write everything out that way. And then last thing that's in this front pocket is just this little pack of Clorox disinfecting wipes. I got this from the dollar store. I just like to keep this in here for my headphones, and that's it, just for my headphones, because after my workouts I'm so sweaty, and, you know, constantly just sweating, putting your headphones back in the bag, that's sick. So I wouldn't say that I'm a germaphobe, but I wouldn't say that I'm not a germaphobe. So that's what we're gonna say about that. So that's just in like the little front pocket of my barrel bag. Now let's get into the good stuff. So, what are we going to start with? Well, we'll start with this. So this is my blender bottle. It's all white. When I first started working out, I had so many colors. I think in the video that I posted a year ago, I had a blender bottle that was like white or clear on the bottom, and then it was mint on top. That's because I was super crazy about matching, you know. But yeah, this is just my blender bottle. I took the ball out. I know it's pointless. I know what the ball is for. I know. But I just didn't like it. And also, me and one of my friends that I work out with, she also has another bottle like this, like the exact same color and everything. And her bottle has the ball in it, and so that's how we can tell the difference when we're working out and stuff. That's not relevant, and that's not why I don't have the ball. I just don't like having the ball in here. Alright. Next, I have my pre-workout. This is the Beyond Raw Lit in the flavor Candy Apple. I finished this. It's empty. Inside of it, I actually have a Ziploc bag of another Beyond Raw Lit pre-workout, but it's in the flavor Sweet Tart. And it is so good. One of my friends got it, and I just haven't got around to picking up some more pre-workout, so she just put it in a Ziploc bag for me, and I've just been scooping out of that. I can't stop looking over there because there's a window, and somebody is standing outside of it. And then it's not like they're looking at me, but it's just like I can see them, you know? Whatever. Alright, so this is my pre-workout. I love this. I know that I need to cycle off and try a different kind, but this brand is just old faithful to me. So this is the Beyond Raw Lit clinically dosed pre-workout. Alright, so next I have my Vans. I have recently switched to Vans for the leg day. I don't think it really matters if you're using Vans or if you're using Converse. I just switched to these because the strings on my Converse are too long, and I was tucking them into my shoes before, and it was just a lot of work. I don't know. I also just a preference. I just switched to them. I haven't really been wearing these for leisure, so I figured I could use them for working out. So those are for leg days. You know, gotta have something flat. For non-leg days and other shoes, I talked a little bit also about these shoes in my August favorites. I don't typically keep both pairs in here. I did just for the purpose of this video. Last night I did some glute work, so I kept these here, but typically I'll keep my Vans here, and I'll only bring them in my bag when I'm doing legs, which is going to be either Monday or Wednesday. So I do use these. They're great to run in. They're great to lift in because they're moderately flat. I don't get as much movement as I was getting with my NMDs, so I really like these for lifting. They're super comfortable. They're very airy. I've had them for about 2 months, and they don't stink yet. So, alright. We are powering through. Next in here, I have a waist trainer sweatband type deal. I don't use this much. I would say maybe 2 or 3 workouts a month do I actually use this. Not gonna lie, I use it on days that I'm working out after I've drank, or days when I feel like I really need to sweat it out. I haven't been, but I should have been wearing this a lot this week because I'm sick, and I've been trying to take no pre-workout this week just so I can sweat out my sickness. So this is what I like to use for that. I don't use it for like body shaping purposes or anything. I just literally use it to sweat. So I'll wear it for cardio, and then I'll take it off when it's time for my lift. Alright. And then the last thing that I have inside of the main bag is just this notebook. I know for a fact that I mentioned, or I talked about this notebook in my video last year because that's when I just got it. As you can see, it's not as pretty anymore. Very dirty, very worn down, but still using it for the same purposes, just to keep track of my workouts. I don't use my notebooks often. I've switched to kind of just saving Instagram videos from the YouTubers that I like to watch. And so writing out my workouts is not as prominent of a thing as it was for me last year. Alright, so lastly, we do have the side pocket, which is this barrel pocket, and it opens up just like this. And this is where I have all of my fun gym equipment. So inside you're going to find a jump rope. I do like to do jump rope for cardio some days. Just 5 minutes warming up. Jump roping is probably the worst thing you can ever do, and it works. I do also have these 3, just kidding, I don't know how to count. I have 4 bands in here. They're all of different resistance. I don't personally like these, I'm going to be honest with you. I got these from Walmart, and they do roll up. So I don't find myself using these a lot. I do use the ones that the band provides because they're a little better, but they're not as better. I really want to try the Grace Fit UK ones because they look very, very durable, and that like they don't roll up. So, you know, maybe it's in my cards. I don't know, we'll see. Next, I have this arm band for running outside. 2 things. Number 1, I don't run outside. And number 2, this doesn't even fit my phone anymore because I have a 7 Plus, and I think this is when I was just an iPhone 6 shorty. So it's just in my gym bag though, you know? It's what's in my gym bag. And man, 2 more things. I have this ponytail holder, and the last thing that I have is just this measuring tape. Sometimes, by sometimes I mean literally once a month and no other time after that. Once a month, I like to keep track of the inches that I lose. So I do take measurements of my arms, I take measurements of my waist, of my legs, of my bust. I do it all, the whole 9 yards, because I like to keep track of my progress that way. So yeah, this is my gym bag, Gymshark barrel bag. I'll link it below. Like I said, not sure if it's sold out or not. I do need a new one, but I just can't seem to part with this one. Maybe if they come out with different colors. I would love to see this in white. I know that would get dirty really quickly, but like maybe even just white straps, you know? Am I onto something? I know. Alright, so I kind of just wanted to end this video and talk to you guys a little bit about who my favorite fitness YouTubers are and the people that I follow for workouts on Instagram. So right off the bat, I really love Ajazi Fit. Now, I'm pretty sure that's how you say her name, Ajazi. I just found her YouTube channel, I want to say maybe like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. She's just now, like more recently, starting to post more on YouTube, and I love it because it's really cool to see younger Gymshark athletes and how they're kind of finding their way around the fitness industry and talking a little bit about some of the things that they go through. Ajazi just graduated college last year, so I feel like we're kind of like in the same age bracket. I'm in my last year of college right now, so it's cool to see what she uses her time for and how she's kind of working with everything that way. I really love her workouts, her content. She's hilarious on Instagram. Next up, y'all know I'm trying to save the most obvious person for last, so let me just get through my list. Hannah Oberg, not sure if that's how you pronounce her last name, because I know that she is not from the United States. She's foreign. I don't know where she's from though. She has great workouts. Like Hannah's legs, I'm trying to get there. Like her quads are huge. They're so strong, and so I really love Hannah's workouts, especially for lower body. I've been doing one of her like target videos for my back day as well as for my lower body and my glutes. I really love those, so I have a bunch of those saved. And you guys already know the last fitness YouTuber that I live and die by, I breathe for, is Whitney Simmons. You know that Whitney's been my girl since I started working out last year in January. Her workouts are awesome. Her videos are awesome. What I eat in a day is awesome. I just love Whitney Simmons. So if you're new to weightlifting, if you're new to working out, and you kind of need just a little bit of direction, I definitely recommend checking out Whitney Simmons. Alright guys, so that's all that I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me out a lot. Leave a comment and let me know what are some things that you guys have in your gym bag, and make sure that you subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next one.